HTML5 tutorial as powered by UCK Tech Designs. This tutorial is designed for all the beginners who are interested in writing HTML codes. If you don't know where to start, then this is the right place for you to start. It's also designed for you who has started to write HTML code but yet wants to bring yourself up to standard to the current happenings, the current rules of writing HTML, which is HTML5. You are at the right place. That's said and done. Let us begin. This is a PowerPoint slide on our course outline, the things that we are expected to cover in this tutorial. First of all, we are going to discuss HTML and HTML5. All about it. Then next, we are going to talk about you choosing the right tools. The things that you must have in your PC, in your laptop, in your computer to make sure that you write and deliver good HTML codes. Then we talk about creating and viewing a web page. We will create a web page, we'll get our hands a little bit dirty for you to get a feel of what we are talking about. Then we will discuss the structure and components of HTML. Next, we will talk about establishing a document structure. What are the set of rules? How? What is expected of us to write a good HTML document? We will get to know this here. Then we will talk about the HTML elements. We will walk you through the journey of discovery of all the elements that are available in HTML5. The ones that are deprecated, that is the ones that are no longer in use. After that, we will talk about the attributes of these elements. Next, we will talk about working with texts and lists, how you are expected to mark up your text. We are also going to talk about the types of lists, ordered lists, unordered lists, drop-down lists. Next, we will now work with our forms, creating search forms, password forms, radio buttons, check boxes, drop-down lists, under forms. We are going to extensively look at more and more, and then we will do practical exercises with you for you to be able to get a feel of what we are talking about. Next, we will now talk about HTML5 links. What are the current standard of linking? We'll get to see how it is done, the internal linking, the external linking, linking our images, linking our documents. That is where it comes to play. Then we will work with the HTML images. What are the format of images? How do we prepare our images for the web? And how do we present it to the web? Finally, we will talk about managing our media. How do we impute audio into our web pages? How do we impute video into our web pages? How do we make sure the controls, the play, the stop, the fast forward, and the rest of them comes to bear? This we are going to talk about. Now, if you are ready, like our page, you can go to www.facebook.com/UCKTechDesigns and like our page and follow us. Or you can subscribe to our YouTube videos for current updates when the other subsequent videos. Or you can subscribe to our YouTube video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel UCK Tech Designs for updates on the subsequent videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.